The folks at Fox Factory aren't waiting for Chevrolet to build a proper competitor for the F-150 Raptor R or Ram TRX. They've built one of their own, the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado Fox Factory Edition. It's packing 700 horsepower and enough suspension travel to safely land on an aircraft carrier. It's not a one-off thing either. Fox Factory will build 500 of these burly Silverados, but there is a catch. It costs $209.99 or $999. Fox Factory says that's an estimated starting MSRP, but it's still $100,000 more than an F-150 Raptor R. For the price, you get a supercharger bolted atop the Silverado's 6.2-liter V8, upping output to the aforementioned 700 HP and 640 pound-feet of torque. A Borla exhaust adds noise, and it all goes through Chevy's 10-speed automatic transmission. But the pièce de résistance here isn't the powertrain. Fox is known for off-roading magic, and this upgraded Silverado ditches the rear leaf spring suspension for a long-travel multi-link setup. Fox 3.2 coilovers and aluminum trailing arms give 15.5 inches of usable travel in the back. Up front, there's 14.5 inches of travel with Fox 3.2 shocks in a long-travel A-arm setup. It's a semi-active, electronically controlled system that can be managed inside the truck, with Fox Factory emphasizing control and stability at high speeds off-road in real time. Baja Kits worked with Fox Factory on the setup, which includes a Dana 60 axle and an RB air locker at the back. The factory front limited slip axle gets 3.73 gears, and the changes add 6 inches to the Silverado's track. It all rides on 17-inch method wheel shod with 37-inch BFG KO2 tires. To accommodate the mechanical changes, Fox Factory adds numerous body upgrades. The hood and wide front fenders are carbon fiber, as are the bedsides at the rear. It wears new high-clearance bumpers front and rear, has lights galore, and the interior is upgraded with Alcantara and even more carbon fiber. Fox Factory doesn't specify when its high-flying Silverado will be available, but the company is taking reservations now with an initial $5,000 payment.